It's so wonderful to be back on campus, Sophia, and see all the changes that have happened since 1997 when I was last here.
And I was very privileged to be your English teacher back then.
Yes, I remember. Year 11 and 12 English.
Do you remember where the library was way back then?
It was by the creek and it was in an old brown demountable building.
Yes, it was. I think most of the books that we had back then were actually donations.
Really?
That's how it started, yeah. Do you remember the move up to the Linke building?
Yes, I remember the beautiful glass panelling at the front and the smell of fresh paint and new carpet. And I remember thinking what an exciting space this would be for us.
It's such a well-used space. I mean, on a hot day, we can have 200 students in the library.
Yeah, right.
It's a very, very busy place with all kinds of things going on. And yeah, I've always seen it sort of like, it's almost like a lounge room for the school.
It is.
Everybody comes and they get together, they play games, they study, they do homework. Yeah, I think it's a very comfortable space. It's the hub of the school. What I'm really excited about is the new makerspace that that's going to be purpose-built so that we can do all the kinds of things that I've been trying to promote in the library, like coding drones and coding robots and things like virtual reality, which is some of the equipment that we've just purchased as well. So we want the space to be a really flexible learning space and a dynamic space so that students can do all kinds of things in the library, from just quiet reading to collaborating with their in group works or group settings, to also just having space to play board games, create and design and innovate if they wish to. And with the new technologies, the needs of the students are changing, so it's time for a refurbishment.
Where I currently work, I see the need for people to be innovative, creative, especially problem solvers. And I believe that this new refurbishment will provide students with the opportunity to hone those skills of problem solving, to help them to innovate and explore things that they may not have a chance to explore in other parts of the school. I'm so thankful to the people who gave towards the library those many years ago so that I could experience that excitement of having a new space. And that's why I'm a part of this project, so that we can give that excitement to the current and future students.
Thank you so much for being a part of this, Dexter.
It's a pleasure.